What should I look at when performing a full Amazon PPC audit? This is one of those questions that if you ask me during 5 different times, I'm going to give you 5 different answers, letting you know that we do have a specific process when it comes down to, or system when it comes down to how we are auditing internally. And we're still auditing internally every account that we are handling, and we're auditing it 3 times per week. Probably the question that you're asking, it's not so much about how are we doing it, but probably you're asking, you are performing a full account audit and maybe you want to take an account over and so on. And this is really advice that I hope more advertisers are looking into, because from an advertiser's point of view, you always want to prove your skill set on how good you are, what are all the mistakes that you've seen, how badly is this account managed, how worse it's doing and so on. And maybe you have just not the full picture, because if you're doing so, you might not even ask, hey, does this person wants to be profitable? Are they on product launch? Are they gathering market share? So if you don't have the context, whatever you're seeing is an X-ray of whatever happened previously within the account, for whatever is happening right now within the account. When it comes down to audits, what is really important, especially if I'm thinking back to the brands that we took over, managed successfully, and they were no-brainer for them to, hey, this is the perfect agency partner that I want to partner up with to manage my ads. It was always from the point of view, what is important for them? Because if you're never asking that question, you're just going to push your, speech of, this is what I'm seeing, this is how much money am I going to save you. And sometimes it might be true that you're seeing all those patterns that they are not, and you're going to save them money, or you're going to see opportunities for them. However, when it comes down to audits right now, the way how I'm seeing it, rather than whenever we're performing an audit for a brand, is whatever are the opportunities based on their current limitations they are not taking advantage of. Now, when we are auditing our own brands on a weekly basis to see how close, how far are we from a specific goal, the way how we're doing it is way different, because then we have we know why are we doing it, we know what are we looking for, and we are tracking back our progress.